What's up everyone, it's your favorite girl Nicole here, back with another video for you guys. As you guys can see by the title, today I made my own sugar wax. Yes, I did it. It took me 3 days to do it, but I finally got it right. Sugar waxing is not that easy. It's very tedious, but I finally think I got it right. I'm gonna be waxing my underarms today, so if you are interested to see how I made this sugar wax and if this sugar wax works, then definitely keep watching this video. Okay, so like I said in the intro, I made my own sugar wax. You guys, this took me forever, but I finally think I got the right consistency, and it's really hardening right now, but I really think I got it right, and it looks so pretty. But this took, like I said, this took me 3 days. Basically, I had to watch so many videos on how to like get this right and to see if I was doing it right. This is such a tedious process. Like, I felt like I was a chemist, or I felt like I was in school in the chemistry lab trying to like mix some stuff on my stove. So basically what you need to make this is sugar, lemon juice, and water. You need 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of lemon, and a cup of sugar. I basically got this like remedy. Like I said, I had to watch a lot of YouTubers videos and watch how they did it. And basically, I'm gonna link in the description box below the girls that I followed to get this remedy right. But like I said, this took me a while. So basically what you do is just mix all those 3 ingredients together, mix them up, pour them in your pot, and basically you're gonna let this sit and you're gonna continuously stir it for about like 8 minutes. And you also need a candy thermometer, because basically what this is candy. Like, this is actually edible, and I didn't know that. Basically what it is, candy. You have to test the temperature. I took my temperature, I took my candy, I took my pot off the stove at like 235, 240, because I wanted to make it like a soft, firm wax. So you have to automatically take it off when it gets to that temperature, but you're gonna want to leave it on the stove and continue mixing it for about like 8 to 10 minutes, but you have to really watch it. Soon as it starts to turn brown, you need to test it with your candy thermometer, and it needs to go to like 235, 240. Then you immediately take it off. I let it cool down for about 20 minutes because it's extremely hot and you do not want to burn yourself. But that's kind of like the gist of everything I was doing. Like I said, I am not an expert, so please look at the girls' videos in my description box if you guys really want to somebody who knows what they're doing to really detail and go it over with you thoroughly about how to make this, because it took me 3 days. Okay, it took me 3 days, but like I said, I got it right, and we're about to try it right now. So it is hardening. It's turning hard as it's cooling down. So I'm a little concerned. At first it was cool, but I had to let it cool down because it was so hot. But we're about to do this. I got my waxes, I got my wax strips. I got these wax strips off Amazon, and I also got my spatula, which is in my little bowl here, off of Amazon as well. I'll link all of the products I'm using in my description box below. But basically, like I said, we're gonna do my underarms. Now, don't be embarrassed. Do not throw up. I mean, don't be embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. Don't throw up, because my arms are really hairy, okay? Exhibit A. They're not that bad. Yes, they are. My underarms are really bad, so we're about to wax these babies. Okay, so we're about to start. So what you need is baby powder to get this to stick to you and to get it to wax off. So I got a Gold Bond baby powder. One of the girls that I used her video to do her remedy and on how to do this and stuff, one of the girls that helped me do this used the Gold Bond baby powder. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, I'm gonna do that and put that on my underarms. Oh, this smells. Okay, doesn't smell like Johnson Johnson. Okay, here we go. So I'm putting this, and make sure your underarms are clean as well. They did specify that in the video, saying make sure your underarms is clean. Thank God I don't care about this shirt, because this shirt is really... All right, here we go. All right, so here we go. I hope... See, the thing about it is this is so sticky. Oh my goodness, like this is like for real candy. Like, I mean, duh, Nicole. Okay, so go ahead. Ooh, and lay it. So they say when doing this, you want to do it with, you want to go against with your hair. Ah! This is not sticking. Ah! Ouch. This is not working at all. It like completely hardened on me. No. Okay, you guys, I am back from that disaster. I basically had to like reheat it. I put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, but I kind of put it in there too long. I should have just put it in for 10. It's still pretty hard, but this is my thing. If anybody can help me out in the comments, like this stuff is scorching hot. So it's like you have to wait till it cools down so you can put it on your body and stuff. But when it cools down, it gets hard. Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, maybe I'm just being a wussy and I just need to deal with the pain. I tried to do a little thing on my arm off camera, but it kind of burnt. It kind of left me a red mark. Maybe I am being a little wussy. Okay, we're gonna try this again, okay? But we're gonna try it on this underarm now. So we're gonna do this again and hopefully it works out right, okay? Okay, so one thing I did get wrong too when I was doing it in the first clip is that you wanna put the wax go in the opposite direction of what your hair is growing. So I'm gonna put the wax this way, then you're gonna pull in the same direction. Got it? Okay, here we go. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Come on. She kind of like rolled it. I watched her video 1,000 times after I just basically had that crazy incident. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm going to, I'm scared. Okay, here we go. Come on, Nicole, you can do it. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, catch it. And then keep spreading. Keep spreading and twisting. I don't know if I'm doing this right. This is a hot mess, bro. Okay. This, press it. And I'm gonna pull in the same direction. You guys, I'm over here going through. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Why am I doing this? Ready, 1. Fuck. Can you pull it back? Oh, I was too scared for him to do it. Okay, come on, babe. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Whew. Oh my gosh. Look at all that hair, you guys. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus. That is a lot of hair, bro. And a lot of hair definitely came off. Ooh, I'm kind of bleeding a little bit. Hey, I'm bleeding a little bit. Ooh. Oh, I think I did it too hard, you guys. I'm bleeding. Okay, so now I'm about to wipe it off. I don't know if the camera can pick it up a little bit, but I guess I pulled out the follicles, or my boyfriend pulled out the follicles of it because it's bleeding, but it doesn't hurt, but it is bleeding. Oh my goodness, but this stuff worked. Jesus Christ. My hair ain't never gonna grow again. You guys, this really did work so well. I mean, I'm completely bald under my underarms. Like, the hair might not grow again. But I was bleeding. I do not want to keep like doing that one. I just want to let that one rest. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one now, but I'm gonna like reheat my wax a little bit more, but not put it on 30 seconds and see like if I get a different result. Okay, so this time I put it in for 10 seconds and not 30, just to like get it just a little bit more like milkier. You guys, my underarm ain't never been this bald before. As you guys can see, I did not get all right here, but we're gonna try to get the whole thing this time. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so we're about to do this again. We're going with the hair. Ooh. Ooh.
From the top?
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh, this time it didn't bleed. Oh, it looks really nice. Oh, we got a lot of hair. Oh, Lord. Whew. I'm sweating. This is torture. This is almost like torture. Okay, so I went ahead and waxed the rest of my underarms off camera. I did not wax this one all the way because this one was kind of bleeding, so I kind of let that one heal. But this one I did finish, and look at it. It is beautiful. I feel like, I mean, I've never like had my underarms like this smooth before. I've definitely waxed my underarms before, but this is so smooth. Like, it feels so freaking smooth, and look how clear and good it is. Like, this did such a good job. Like, I feel like it even like snatched like the dark areas I had under here. Like, this worked really, really well, but it hurted. Oh, Jesus Christ. It was painful, but it worked really well. One of the girls in the videos that I have her video in the description box, she used actually a t-shirt, so I can try that next time. She said a t-shirt is actually less painless, so I'm gonna try that one. But I love how smooth it is. It's looking really well. Even the area I did wax, it looks really nice. I really love the results and how my underarms are feeling and looking. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm so sorry, you guys. I know this video was dramatic, but I was in a lot of pain, okay? The things you do for you guys, okay? I love you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Definitely let me know in the comments, you guys, if you have ever tried sugar waxing, if you guys have ever made it at home, or if you guys are gonna make it at home. Definitely let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you support this channel, and hit that bell on the side so you can get every post notification when I post. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you guys next time.